2008 BMW 335i. Got a really nice wrap on it. Army green. I really like that color. That's awesome. All right, what we got done on it for you guys? Got factory converters up there. Got factory pipe all the way back. Then it's got the secondary. It's got secondary converters right there. Factory X pipe. Then 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, and we did a rear muffler delete there and there, as you guys can see. And then he brought his own carbon fiber tips there and there that we installed for him. There it is, BMW 335i. There's the 2 mufflers we cut off right there. That's what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Much better. Now it sounds like a BMW. Oh, that's awesome. You can hear it whistle. That's awesome. There's sound decibels again. 109. Go ahead and back it up. Hey, did a really nice job on it.
I've seen some bad rap.
Yeah. That sounds so good. I like how you debadged it all too. It looks really nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. .335i. Nice.